In this video, I show you the best Submagic discount coupon code. My Submagic discount coupon code is Partner10, which gives you a 10% off when you purchase any Submagic plan. Now let me show you how to apply the discount code. You want to go to submagic.co and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, make sure you make one first before proceeding. Then you want to click on pricing, and here you can select if you want to pay monthly or yearly. And as you select yearly, you get a 20% discount. There are two versions that you can choose, the basic and the pro, but I would recommend choosing the pro version because it has a lot more to offer than the basic. With the pro version, you can create unlimited videos, and with the basic, you can only create 20 videos a month. The total size is doubled in the pro version. The download speed is way faster, and you can make videos twice the length of the basic videos. And another great tool that the pro version has is that it has an AI powered auto description with hashtags. What you want to do, you want to click on pay now. You'll be redirected to another site. On the right, you want to fill in all the information. You can select if you want to pay with a credit card or with PayPal. And on the left here, you can see the pricing. And there is this blue area over here with ads promotion code. So here you want to enter partner 10, click on apply, and as you can see, it gives you a 10% discount. Well, this is for life. So after you've entered the discount code and you've filled in information, you want to click on subscribe, and there you have it. Then you have applied the code and you have your own basic or pro Submagic subscription. So let me show you what Submagic can do. Submagic automatically edits captions to the video you upload. You want to click on create. Here, click or drag the video you want to upload. Then you want to click on upload. And as you can see, Submagic added all the captions in the video.
Give you the first rule of entrepreneurship that I've learned, which is use what you have. And a lot more people have pain.
It's a great tool that saves you a lot of time editing the videos. And what you can also do is on the left here, you can change the words. For example, you can change the you to you will, and it automatically changes it. You can also add a sound. For example, to get a point, click on the sound you want, and it also automatically adds the sound to it. If you go to the next step, to the design, you can create your own design. There are all kinds of standard themes. There are 3 themes of Hormozy, one of David, Devin, Mr. Beast, Ali or Iman. Let's say we go for Hormozy number 3. And down below you can customize the theme as it is now. So you can make it bigger or smaller. You can make it go higher or go lower. I would say something around here, just below the microphone. And you can change the main colors the way you want to. Let's say we want to make this one red. We want the second color to be blue. You can see now it automatically changes to blue. And the third color, let's make it a little bit like this. Now, once you're done editing, there is one more feature that it has, and that's an AI generated description and hashtags. It makes it for you, makes the work so much easier. And once you're done, you can click on save to save the project, and you can click on export, and the video will be downloaded so you can use it on your socials. Now let's see the final result.
Piece rule of entrepreneurship that I've learned, which is use what you have. And a lot more people have pain. A lot more people have anger. A lot more people have shame. And if you can use that as your gas in the beginning, you'll eventually get to a point where you can get out of that loop and then find something that you are really passionate about. But if you can't tie your shoes, you can't lift the weight, you can't send the DM, then you have to start with whatever you have.
So if you want to try out Submagic, make sure to use the coupon code Partner10 during checkout for 10% off for lifetime. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.